Hey guys, so as I'm myself a blockchain developer, I spend hours on Remix and other IDs like OpenZeppelin Wizard, writing blockchain code, smart contracts, and everything. So today I decided to create my own NFT, generate my own NFT token with the ERC 721 standards as it will be on Ethereum, and the token name will be Token One, and the logo I've given is TKO. So I decided before launching the NFT, I should study what are the current trends around NFTs in the market. So I was looking for different tools, and the best tool in the market is obviously Kwala Intel. So I decided to take a look at Kwala Intel, and Kwala Intel will guide me what are all the current trends around NFTs. So this is the homepage for Kwala Intel. I jumped to Kwala Intel, and luckily, on the UI itself, there's this option of sectors. And in the sectors, they have a dedicated sector around NFTs, which we will simply open and give as an intent or a context for Kwala to work further. So as we scroll down, you can see there are so many sectors created by Kwala Intel. So there's this NFT sector. So NFTs are basically non-fungible tokens, as we all know. It's kind of a ownership to some digital art, to some digital design, to some digital graphics on chain. So these are the current prices around these NFTs. Let's give one as a reference to Kwala Intel. Let's select Axie Infinity. So as we can see, most of the NFTs are pretty down. Okay, so this is being given as a as it's given as a context. So as we can see, the NFTs are pretty down. Even this is under the bear cycle currently in the overall crypto industry. Let's ask about NFTs. So I want to, let's say, invest in NFTs. Is this a good time? Assuming I have, let's say, 5 ETH, and let's ask Kwala Intel what it says about the current NFTs market. So, like, if I'm building my own NFT, if I further plan to launch it in the future, I should be aware of the industry trends, like whether my product, that is my NFT, will do good in the market, will be a pump, or like will there be a demand, what will be the value. So, to get all these ideas will be provided by Kwala Intel, which will be based on all the latest industry trends and industry what's happening real time in the industry. So everything will be analyzed by Kwala Intel, and accordingly this data. Okay, so it is already generating. It's pretty fast. Wow. So as we speak, it's generating all the detailed information which I need on this. Okay, so parallelly it fetches a lot of resources, and it is generating this detailed response around NFTs in current crypto market. And actually, creating an NFT is pretty fun. It was actually fun writing that small basic smart contract as well. So let's see what Kwala Intel is about to say. The NFT landscape right now. Okay, so the current token which we gave as a reference, AXS, which is the NFT, is completely down. It's like 99.39% down. Even another NFT, that is BLUR Blur, is also like 99.63% down. ETH is at 1783. Okay, so it's slightly better compared to a couple of days of drop, but even that's low compared to its all-time high. So Kwala Intel is telling me NFTs right now, blue chip NFTs are actually showing life. Okay, so there's a chance that but volumes and users are at multi-year lows. Okay, so again the values are kind of not that great. NFT marketplace tokens. So Alpha Take, the final recommendation by Kwala Intel, how I would play 5 ETH in NFTs. Okay, so blue chip NFTs, I would have to I'll put in 3 ETH, that is 60% of all my holdings, and around that I can expect. It is telling me to hold for another 12 to 18 months, like 1.5 year. Kwala Intel is suggesting me to put 3 ETH in blue chip NFTs and hold, then 1.5 ETH in ETH staked or yield. Okay, so keep it as it is and just take it in ETH, not really invest it or trade it. Or and staking is kind of a long term thing, so this will help me generate profits as well. and zero point 0.5 ETH it is asking me in the NFT beta. This is the least it is recommending me to invest. So this is the breakdown, a proper breakdown Kwala Intel has given me for my 5 ETH to like get me maximum yields, maximum rewards, maximum profits. So it's pretty interesting. Like Kwala gave me a very detailed answer of the current industry trends around NFTs and their valuations. So this will easily help me being a developer in case now that I'll be planning to build my own NFT and launch it in the future. So these industry trends I'll study, which are provided by Kwala Intel, and it will further help me to understand the NFT market and be a part of it as well. So really grateful to Kwala Intel. Thank you.